Hey there, everyone. Ever stop to think about how your favorite snacks might be playing a role in your kidney health? I'm Doctor, your last name, or just call me Doctor. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Kidney disease affects about 10% of the population worldwide, and it really makes you think about what we put into our bodies, especially those snacks. But here's the great part. There are actually tons of delicious and nutritious snack options that will not harm your kidneys at all. You can enjoy them with zero worries, knowing they're safe and beneficial. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 of the very best snacks that are super safe for anyone concerned about their kidney health. Stick around because we're about to get started. Now, most of the time we pick snacks simply for fun or for a quick energy boost, right? But sometimes, especially when it comes to your kidneys, we need to be a bit more mindful. Because, believe me, making poor choices can actually harm your kidneys or worsen pre-existing problems. So, that's why this video will be like a little guide for you. I'm curious, is your go-to snack on this list? Maybe you'll discover a new favorite. Let's find out. First up, we have a classic treat that many of you will recognize. Unsalted popcorn. On-screen visual of popcorn. Yes, that's right. Unsalted popcorn is a terrific option for kidney health. Why is that? Well, it's naturally low in sodium. Too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, fluid retention, and even damage to the kidneys. With unsalted popcorn, you can snack away without worrying about those sodium levels or putting added stress on your kidneys. Another reason unsalted popcorn is fantastic is that it's super high in fiber. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system, preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut. Now, having good digestion is actually really important for kidney health too, as it helps take some stress off the kidneys. Plus, the fiber in popcorn helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is extremely important if you have diabetes, as that's one of the leading causes of kidney disease, sadly. Now, popcorn is also a whole grain, so it's packed with lots of antioxidants. These antioxidants protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can harm your kidneys over time. So, eating popcorn is actually a small but effective way to support your kidney health. But here's a very important thing to keep in mind. While ready-to-eat popcorn is super convenient, you need to be very cautious about that. Many pre-packaged versions have a lot of added sodium or ingredients like butter and salt that are not good for kidney health. It is always the very best to choose plain, unsalted popcorn, or make it yourself at home. Making popcorn at home is incredibly easy. You only need about a quarter cup of popcorn kernels. Put them in a pot with a little bit of oil, maybe about a teaspoon, and heat on medium heat. Then add your kernels. Once they start popping, cover the pot and just shake it a bit so it doesn't burn. Once the popping slows down, you are all done. Now, if you like, you can season it with a pinch of garlic powder, paprika, or nutritional yeast to add a little flavor, but without all the added salt. Just 1 to 2 cups of unsalted popcorn a day is a fantastic and kidney-friendly snack. Alright, moving right along. Another super kidney-friendly snack that I highly recommend if you are a kidney patient is fresh apple slices, sprinkled with a bit of cinnamon. On-screen visual of apple slices with cinnamon. Apples are naturally low in both potassium and phosphorus, which makes them an excellent option for those of you who are managing kidney health. They're also rich in fiber, which you know we need for good digestive health. This will help to regulate bowel movements and maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which can help prevent further strain on the kidneys, especially for folks with diabetes. Cinnamon, when paired with apples, adds a touch of sweetness without needing any added sugar, which is super essential for kidney health. It's a very flavorful alternative that actually has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can sometimes worsen kidney function, so including cinnamon in your diet can help protect your kidneys over time. It also has antioxidant properties that help combat oxidative stress, which we know can sometimes accelerate kidney damage. To make this super simple snack, just slice up a fresh apple and sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. You can eat it just like that, or pair it with a small serving of unsweetened yogurt for a little added creaminess. Now, if you'd like a warmer snack, you can heat the apple slices with cinnamon in the microwave for just a few seconds until they're soft and very fragrant. Just enjoy this snack once a day to satisfy a sweet craving and keep your kidneys very safe. Now, if you're craving something crunchy with a hint of creaminess, you really should consider rice cakes topped with a thin layer of cream cheese. On-screen visual of rice cakes with cream cheese. Yes, this is yet another fantastic snack choice, and it's incredibly beneficial for you as a kidney patient. Rice cakes are typically low in both potassium and phosphorus, which are key things to consider for kidney health. The texture of a rice cake is so light and crispy, and when you pair it with a spread of cream cheese, it becomes a very satisfying snack. Cream cheese is a very good source of calcium and protein, but it is very important to choose a low-fat or reduced sodium version to keep it as kidney-friendly as possible. This combo provides a great balance of carbs and protein, which helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps you feeling fuller for much longer without putting a strain on your kidneys. To make this snack, just grab a plain rice cake and spread a thin layer of cream cheese all over the top. If you'd like to add even more flavor without affecting your kidney health, maybe top it with a sprinkle of garlic powder, dried herbs like parsley, or even some thin slices of cucumber. These little additions can add a fresh flavor without the harmful sodium, making your snack both tasty and nutritious. Rice cakes with cream cheese are a great snack for people managing kidney disease, because they are very easy to digest and very gentle on the stomach. Since kidney disease can sometimes lead to digestive issues, having snacks that are light and non-irritating is super important. This snack is perfect for a quick bite when you are on the go. You can enjoy 1 or 2 rice cakes with cream cheese per day, but always remember to keep your portions moderate. Another very beneficial snack option that's super effective for your kidney health is a refreshing blueberry smoothie. On-screen visual of blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are just packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help to fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Now, for kidney patients, this is a big deal because chronic inflammation and oxidative damage can worsen kidney function over time. The antioxidants in blueberries protect your kidney cells by reducing the risk of further damage. Blueberries are also low in potassium, which makes them a really safe fruit choice for people with kidney disease who need to monitor their potassium intake. They're also high in fiber, which we know supports digestion and regulates your blood sugar levels, and that's a critical factor in maintaining kidney health, especially for those with diabetes. To make a very simple blueberry smoothie, you'll only need a few ingredients. Start with about a half cup of either fresh or frozen blueberries, and blend them with a half cup of unsweetened almond milk, or another kidney-friendly milk alternative. Add a handful of ice cubes for that nice chilled texture, and blend until it's smooth. You can also toss in a small spoonful of unsweetened Greek yogurt for added protein and creaminess. If you'd like a little bit of sweetness without overloading on sugar, add a few drops of stevia or monk fruit extract. This smoothie is great for a quick breakfast or even as a midday snack. You can even add a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds to boost the fiber content, and add those omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and help reduce inflammation. Next up, we have carrot sticks with hummus on our list. On-screen visual of carrot sticks and hummus. Carrots are a very low potassium vegetable, so they are a super safe choice for anyone with kidney disease who needs to limit their potassium intake. They're also very rich in beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that the body converts to vitamin A. This helps support immune function and helps protect against oxidative damage. Carrots are also high in fiber, which is important for good digestive health. Fiber helps maintain regular bowel movements and supports healthy blood sugar levels, which we know are important for kidney patients. The crunch of carrot sticks provides a very satisfying texture, making them a perfect snack for when you are craving something crispy but healthy. Hummus, which is made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice, is a very flavorful dip that pairs perfectly with carrots. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and they're lower in potassium compared to other legumes, making them kidney-friendly. However, when choosing or preparing hummus, it's always the best practice to avoid varieties with any added salt or preservatives. Homemade hummus is always a super option, since you can control all the ingredients to ensure that it remains very low in sodium. To make this snack, just cut up some fresh carrots into sticks or rounds, scoop out some hummus into a small bowl, and dip your carrot sticks into it. You can also sprinkle some ground pepper or dried herbs like parsley or oregano on top of the hummus to add extra flavor without increasing the sodium. Carrot sticks with hummus are an easy-to-prepare, nutrient-dense snack that is absolutely perfect for kidney patients. 1 serving of carrot sticks with hummus. About half a cup of carrots and 2 tablespoons of hummus is enough to satisfy your snack cravings while supporting your kidney health. Okay, plain rice crackers topped with cucumber slices are another snack that's very beneficial if you are a kidney patient. On-screen visual of rice crackers with cucumber slices. This is a super simple yet incredibly refreshing snack. Now, remember that rice crackers are typically low in both sodium and potassium, which makes them a very safe snack option for those with kidney disease. They're also low in calories, which can be beneficial for maintaining a healthy weight. Now, cucumbers, when paired with rice crackers, add a fresh, crisp texture that enhances the overall snack. Cucumbers are low in potassium and known for their high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated and supports the function of the kidneys. They are also very rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and tannins, which help fight both inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can negatively affect kidney health. To make this snack, simply take a handful of plain rice crackers and pair them with some fresh cucumber slices. You can slice the cucumber into thin rounds or cut them into long sticks, depending on your preference. The mild flavor of the rice crackers really complements the cool, refreshing taste of cucumber, making it a light and very satisfying snack. For a little added flavor, you can spread a thin layer of cream cheese or a kidney-friendly dip on the rice crackers. Just be sure that you are choosing low-sodium cream cheese or a dip that doesn't have any added salt or preservatives. You can also sprinkle some fresh herbs like dill or parsley on top, for an extra burst of flavor without increasing the sodium. Plain rice crackers with cucumber slices are a low-calorie, refreshing snack that provides hydration and a really good balance of textures. They are absolutely perfect for kidney patients looking for a light and easy-to-digest option that will not put any additional strain on the kidneys. 1 serving, consisting of maybe 5 or 6 rice crackers and just a few cucumber slices, is a great choice for a midday snack. Now, if you're looking for something sweet and refreshing as a snack, you really should choose strawberries with a dollop of whipped cream. On-screen visual of strawberries with whipped cream. Remember that strawberries are naturally low in potassium, and food options that are low in potassium are always safe for kidney patients. Strawberries are also very rich in vitamin C, which is extremely important in supporting your kidney health because it boosts your overall immune system and helps your body to absorb iron. Vitamin C also helps to prevent the formation of kidney stones by reducing the buildup of calcium oxalate, which is a common cause of kidney stones. Furthermore, strawberries are just packed with really important antioxidants that are incredibly beneficial for kidney patients. One of these antioxidants is anthocyanin, which helps to combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Keep in mind that oxidative stress is a condition where harmful free radicals damage your cells, and this is one of the key contributors to the development of kidney disease. The antioxidants in strawberries reduce that oxidative stress and protect your kidney function and support your overall health, so you should definitely try this snack to satisfy your cravings without any worries. The best part of this snack is that it is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a dessert or just as a midday treat. If you want to make this snack even more appealing, you can always add some unsweetened whipped cream to it. You can also sprinkle just a bit of cinnamon on it, which will add some extra flavor and more health benefits to it. Another key snack with numerous health benefits is unsalted almond butter on white bread. On-screen visual of almond butter on white bread. This is a very simple, yet incredibly satisfying snack for you if you are a kidney patient. Remember that white bread is actually the better option for you if you have kidney issues. That's because it has very low potassium levels, compared to whole grain bread. When you pair it with almond butter, it adds a very creamy and nutty flavor to the snack. Almond butter, especially when you keep it unsalted, is also a kidney-friendly food that is rich in some beneficial nutrients. It contains monounsaturated fats, which can help support your heart health, which is a critical factor for kidney patients. Furthermore, almond butter also contains important antioxidants like vitamin E. Vitamin E helps to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are harmful to kidney health. And there you have it. Those are the top 8 snacks that are safe for people who are concerned about their kidney health. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Let me know in the comments below which of these snacks sounds most delicious to you. See you all in the next video.